Yes, here the structure of alimentary canal. Now we are going to discuss about the some of keywords in this topic. A first part of an alimentary canal is mouth part, right? In that mouth part, they are having a one thing, buccal cavity. Here a buccal cavity, we already say that in a mind map itself, they are contain a what? Teeth, salivary gland, and tongue. So all the things are comes under the buccal cavity. Here have to just follow that all the things in your observation note only. You are not having any assignment to this class. You just read this words only. Okay, ma, that is enough to you. And next one is the teeth. Here a teeth, the presence of first one is the diphyodont. What is the keywords to be here? Diphyodont. Di nali two solirkom, phyodont, which mean teeth. இல்லையா அப்போ human having a two set of teeth, a permanent teeth and temporary teeth, so that they are given a diphyodont. And next one, theocodont. Theocodont na என்னமா? In that teeth, teeth என்ன இருக்கும்? அந்த பக்கல் எனாமல்ல என்ன இருக்கும்? Just merge ஆயிருக்கும் இல்லையா? அதனால தான் சொல்றாங்க theocodont ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. That is the meaning of a theocodont. And next one, heterodont. Heterodont na different shapes, functions. That is the heterodont. Heteronaale different na, okay va? And different structures la functions la irukradhanaala we already discussed, right? Structure and functions of teeth, so that they are indicate as a heterodont. Okay, and next let me move the next one, salivary gland. Here a salivary gland, they are kind of three gland, right? The first one is the sublingual gland. What is the first one? Sublingual gland. And where it is present? The sublingual gland just beneath the tongue, and parotid is the first gland where it is present, and near to the ear part. We already said that par, which mean near, oid, which mean ear, near to the ear. Okay, and next one, submaxillary gland or submandibular gland, where it is present ma, just beneath that jaws, lower jaw la present aayirukkum. So this is the three gland. It we read it again: sublingual gland, parotid gland, submaxillary gland or submandibular gland. So that's it for an salivary gland. We'll be more on next part of alimentary canal is a tongue. What is the next one? Tongue. Here a tongue. First thing of a tongue is masticated. Masticated, which mean a what? மெல்றதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is the mastication. And next one, epiglottis. Epiglottis is one of the part in the esophagus. Just they are prevent the entry of a food in the trachea. Trachea kulla enter agama, just they are prevented. One of the muscular part da epiglottis. Epiglottis. And next one is the esophagus. What is the name for that? Esophagus. Here O is silent. Esophagus. Sorry, a long food pipe. And that's it for our tongue. Let me move on next one, pharynx. Here a pharynx, the same thing, epiglottis and esophagus. Pharynx we already discussed about that. And next one is the esophagus, and next one is the stomach. Here a stomach, they are contain some of the enzymes just help to digestion of food material, right? The first one is the renine. What is the first one? Renine. And next one is the pepsin. What is the next one ma? Pepsin. And next one is the chyme. What is the next one? Chyme. Chyme அப்படினா என்னதுன்னா meaning. What is the meaning பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா just a semi solid food material that indicate as a chyme. And next one, pylorase. Pylorase அப்படினா what is the meaning of pylorase? குழாயின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. That is the stomach. A stomach part la there are tube like structures is there, no? That is the pylorase. Okay, and next one, as topic is a small intestine. Here a small intestine, some of the having a keywords. First one is the duodenum. What is a duodenum? That is the C-shaped curved portions of small intestinal part. And next one is the jejunum, and next one is the ileum. So these are all the some of the parts of a small intestine. Okay, let me move on. Next one, liver. Here the next one they are given as a liver. The first word is bile. Bile. Okay, my bile is then, what is a bile? They are getting from the liver. They are temporarily stored in the gallbladder. Okay, and next one is the emulsification. What is the next one? Emulsification, which mean they are releasing of an enzyme. That is the what? Emulsification. Okay, just write it as a capital letter. And next one of an liver is pancreas. What is the next one? Pancreas. Here a pancreas are contained one cell, that is the cells of Langerhans. What is the next first one? Cells of Langerhans cells. They are having a two kind of cells, that is the alpha cell and beta cell. Alpha cell secrete the first one sugar sonoma, so glucagon. Here they secrete of alpha cell. Insulin they are secreted by the beta cell, glucagon and insulin. So that's it for a pancreas. Will be more next one. Here the another pancreas will be the succus entericus. Succus entericus, a group of enzymes they are secreted. Okay, the succus entericus சொல்லுவாங்க. Will be more next one. Large intestine. Here a large intestine they are having some parts, right? First one is the caesium, and next one is the colon, and next one is the rectum, and vestigial organ. I am already said to you what is a vestigial organ. Non-functional organ. They are said as a vestigial organ. Here they are given a vermiform appendix in சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? And last thing is defecation. Okay, ma defecation, or another name will be there for the defecation, ejection. Ejection or defecation, that is the same. Here we are complete that keywords to remember the topics. And now we are going to see about the what are the questions are involved in this topic. Let me see that what are the 1 marks, any 1 marks in that book back, or 5 marks maybe. Let me see that. Here let me discuss about the choose the best answer in a book bag related to that human digestive system. If there is a 1 mark only, okay ma. First one is the which of the following is not salivary gland. What they are asking, which of the following is not a salivary gland. So this is an indirect question. They are giving us some choices. Just have to pick out that one thing. A sublingual gland. Salivary gland கடையாதுன்னு கேக்குறாங்கம்மா. First one is the sublingual. That is the one of the salivary gland. Next one பார்த்தோம்னா lagrimal. And next submaxillary. And next பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா parotid. Here a sublingual salivary gland, they belong to the salivary gland, and submaxillary also belong to salivary gland, and parotid also belong to salivary gland. And next one is the lagrimal. Lagrimal is not a salivary gland, but lagrimal is the tears gland. அப்போ இங்க salivary gland தான் நம்ம கேக்குறாங்க. So which one is the not? So what is an answer to be here? Lagrimal is not the salivary gland. Here option they are given as a B. Lagrimal. Lagrimal is the tears gland. Okay. And next choose the best answer. A stomach of human being mainly digest. Stomach of human being mainly digest a carbohydrate, a protein, fat, sucrose. Just have to discuss about that. First thing, let me take the last one, sucrose. The sucrose where they are convert in that small intestine. And next one, proteins also they are belong to the small intestine, and fat they are digest the fat, bile the fat digest panno, and carbohydrate is there, no? Carbohydrate. So what is an answer to be here? Carbohydrate. The stomach of human beings mainly digest the carbohydrate. Okay, and let me move on. Next one is the to prevent the entry of food into trachea. The opening of a guarded by. Opening is guarded by what? They are given some example to that. That is the choose the best chooses. First one is the epiglottis, and next one is the glottis, hard plate, soft plate. To prevent the entry of food into trachea, the opening of guarded by. Opening guarded by what? We already discussed in the number of time. What? Epiglottis. Okay ma, there will be more a fourth question. Next question. A bile help in the digestion of what? We already say na second one, that is the fat. So what is the answer to be here? Fat. So that's it for 4. Choose the best answer in a book box related to that topic. Let me move on. Next one, fill in the blanks. What are the questions are involved in this? First one, we see the first one. Opening of the stomach into intestine is called what? Opening of the, this is the opening of the stomach, sorry, this is the opening of the stomach into intestinal part. This is the what? Duodenum. Yeah. So just write in a duodenum here. So duodenum, same answer to be here. Duodenum. And let me move on to next one. A muscular and a sensory organ which help in mixing of food and the saliva is muscular and sensory. Muscular and sensory, where we have seen that muscular and sensory, a sensory part of an alimentary canal is a first present in the buccal cavity, tongue. Muscles, that is the sensory organs are presented. So tongue, with the help of a tongue only they are mixing of food with the saliva, right? So what is the answer to be here? Tongue. We move on next one. Bile secreted by liver is stored temporarily in. A number of times we have discussed this. Bile secreted in the liver, they are temporarily stored in the gallbladder. What is an answer for this? Gallbladder. Okay, ma. So last question of this topic is, the largest part of alimentary canal is dash. What they are asking? Largest part of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, which one is the largest part? Just have to remember that. A first thing is a mouth part. Mouth part is the last shorter one. And next one is the esophagus. Esophagus only at 22 centimeter. சரியா? And next stomach. Let me see the stomach na. There is a smaller one. And next na small intestine. They are having a 5 to 7 meter. And next large intestine, they are nearly 1.5 meter. So now you have to say that which one is the largest part? Small intestine. So what the answer to be here? Small intestine. So that's it for Anna. Fill in the blanks. I hope you have to understand to this. This I have to follow that all the things in your, that's the question answer type na. Just follow that all the things in your class book note, fill in the blanks and choose the best answer. That only you have to follow a class book note. And remaining, we have seen some keywords and mind map. You have to follow an observation note. Okay, student, thank you. This is your homework. That is the fill in the blanks and choose the best answer. Is there? No, that is your homework. Just read and write your own test. Okay, thank you, student. We will see the remaining topic for our next class. Thank you.